One of the world's largest financial companies is diving deeper into crypto, and we'll tell you which one in just a second. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. I'm your host, Kris Merkel, and this is Exodus Crypto News. Out of all the companies in the world, Visa continues to be one of the most enthusiastic adopters of blockchain technology. Recently, they began working with FTX and Coinbase to give Visa cardholders the chance to spend crypto at, get this, more than 70 million merchants worldwide. Visa was also the first major financial company to settle payments in the USDC stablecoin and the first credit card company to buy a CryptoPunk. That's a great start, but we think this latest announcement could be the biggest one yet. Visa has announced that due to high demand from their customers, they're creating a consulting business to help businesses navigate the ins and outs of the rapidly growing cryptocurrency industry. Now here's what Anthony Cahill, the deputy CEO of Visa Europe, had to say about the future of crypto. And this is a quote: "Crypto represents a technological shift for money movement and digital ownership. As consumers change their approach to investing, where they bank, and their views on the future of money, every financial institution will need a crypto strategy." In other words, they believe that most of the world's companies are going to start using cryptocurrency services in the coming years, and Visa wants to help them figure out how it all works. Although large-scale mass adoption might still be a few years away, Claudio Di Nella, the head of Visa's Consulting and Analytics Europe, has said, "We've seen a material shift in our clients' mindset in the last year from a desire to explore and experiment with crypto to actually building a strategy and a product roadmap." Also, and this is pretty big, a recent survey conducted by Visa has shown that, quote, "more than a third of current owners indicate that they plan to switch to a bank that offers crypto products within the next 12 months. So there you go. Visa is already seeing a lot of demand for crypto services, and they believe that this demand will continue to grow for years to come. On Wednesday, some of the world's most influential crypto CEOs testified in front of Congress about the state of the industry. Big names like Charles Cascarilla, the CEO of Paxos, former OCC regulator Brian Brooks, and Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of FTX, all presented to Congress. And if you look at the testimony, one of the points that came up again and again is that the existing rules aren't working. Using 100-year-old regulations to govern an asset class that was only invented a decade ago just doesn't make any sense. If crypto is going to flourish in the United States, we need regulations that work, and one can only hope that lawmakers are finally starting to realize that. It's been an uphill battle, but maybe this is the moment when the tides change. Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so click any of these to keep watching. Until next time, hold on.